I am bringing you this super yummy lemongrass beef noodle salad today. This is Melanie and welcome to another recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you haven't. So first of all, I am going to prepare some salad. I'm going to have some shredded cucumber, fresh cucumber that goes with my noodle salad. Just thinly sliced and cut it lengthwise. You know, you can make them into chunk if you like. I'm always used to this shredded style, so it's all up to you. That's the beauty of cooking at home. Do it on your way, your liking. That's done. I have a little bit of lettuce here, so I'll go ahead and chop mincely, you know, shred it, chunk, whole leaf, like rabbit, either way. And I also have a little bit of bean sprout, homegrown bean sprout sitting right there. I forgot to tell you, but whatever you have in the pantry, really, whatever you feel like you want to eat. I'm going to use about half of a large onion. This is sweet onion, and break it up a little bit, and also gonna mince a big chunk of garlic. I love garlic and onions. And just roughly chunk, it doesn't have to be really small. And set that aside for now. This is my homegrown lemongrass, so fresh. I just harvested and made a video on how to process it. So if you're interested, go check it out in my garden playlist. I'm only gonna get the most of the part, like the first 2 to 3 inches of the lemongrass, where it has a lot of aroma and flavors in there. Just slice them so that I can mince them. That part is for tea. So don't forget to check it out later. I have a tea video coming up. So mince nicely, you know, it's up to you. You can mince them really small, really chunky. Some people like them big and chunky, and just set aside. I'm going to use about a half a pound of beef. This is going to be for my husband and 2 kids and I. And this is a beef flank steak sliced up. And in here on high heat, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. And I'm going to release my lemongrass. I gotta admit, that's a lot of lemongrass, but I love it. This is fresh, so it has a lot of volume, but when it gets a little dried up later, it's going to, you know, kind of dried out, and this is all I have left. So before I add the garlic, I'm drizzle a little bit of oil so that it gives that nice flavor and aroma that makes you want to eat whatever it is cooking. So the lemongrass is kind of browned, and the garlic is like quickly stir around. So toss in your beef real quick and flatten it out, some, you know, making the whole area cover there. You gotta move quick. It's up to you. You know, you like to cook it medium to well done. I kind of like it medium rare. So it's just gonna be really quick for me. Go in a little bit of salt. I learned my lesson about not eating salt. It messes up with your thyroid. So always have a little bit of salt. And about half a teaspoon of sugar. Kids love being on camera. And about half a teaspoon of chicken powder. And give it a quick stir. Quick. I feel like the longer I cook the beef, the tougher it is. So I always like it kind of medium rare. So there it goes. It's almost done. Right before I'm turning off the heat, I drizzle in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. And there I turn off the heat. And in my onion, now I like my onion a little bit crunchy, so I didn't really have the heat turned on. I just let the heat on the pan really finish it out, leave that crunchy texture, but you kind of want it to be soft. You know, you want to cook a little bit longer. And that is it. It's assemble time. So a little bit of noodle, a little bit of bean sprout for me. My husband cannot eat fresh bean sprout, but I love it in this kind of salad. You get your cucumber, your lettuce, and this is from my garden. It's the end of season, so I kind of picked a little bit of this and that, some holy basil, regular basil, perilla, some mint, you know, any kind of herb I got out in the garden. And that is it. Just pour it over. A little bit for my husband, a lot for me. He loves onions, so he get the special onion treat. And don't forget the little juice there. Add me some crunchy fried shallot if you have any, and some roasted nut. So there you have it. It is so tasty. Drizzle a little bit of sweet fish sauce in here. But give it a quick stir. My daughter is wandering around because she wants some. That funny little monkey. Get a little bit of this and a little bit of that, and before you know it, your bowl will be empty. I tell you, it can't be any fresher and yummier than this. The combination of the beef and the salad and the nuts and the fish sauce and the vegetables, it makes me drooling. If you like this yummy lemongrass beef noodle salad recipe, don't forget to check out my grilled pork with noodle salad, or even a vegetarian dish of tofu with lemongrass recipe. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Share with your beef or lemongrass lover friends. That is it, guys. If you want more Vietnamese Asian home cook, gardening, and more, you gotta subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and bye-bye.